Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase account for something. Account for means to explain or be the reason for something. For example, heavy rain accounts for the delay. It is a transitive phrasal verb, so it always needs an object. You say account for something, not account something for. You can use it to explain causes or to show parts of a total. For example, women account for 60 of the team. It is inseparable, so you cannot add words between account and for. Be careful not to say account the reason. Say account for the reason. It is common in both formal and informal English. You can say, please account for the missing money. Or, the increase in sales accounts for the company's success. Remember, account for means to explain or to make up a part. Try to use it when you want to explain reasons or causes. For practice, fill in the blanks. The delay, the bad weather. The answer is accounts for. Now you know how to use account for something correctly. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.